Snoring is often neglected. Snoring is actually associated with a serious condition called sleep apnea. Now, sleep apnea is the root cause for many serious disorders like cardiovascular disorders, strokes, cancers, memory disturbances, daytime sleepiness, weight gain, blood pressure issues, diabetes, and disturbed cholesterol, etc. So please tell your family member if he or she is snoring to go for one-night evaluation, that is called sleep study or PSG, polysomnography. Now this gives us detailed information about EEG, EMG, ECG, and the entire brain recording is going on and the muscle recording is going on all night, and then you come to know various parameters like how many times the oxygen is dipping, how long is the breathing pausing in between, because there's multiple pauses in breathing is the condition called sleep apnea, and this should never be neglected. Sleep apnea can be graded in various ways. They can be mild sleep apnea, moderate sleep apnea, severe sleep apnea. All this is known on this sleep study evaluation. So please advise your family member to go for this evaluation. Snoring should never be neglected.